And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone, and happy Father's Day. It was another hot afternoon with high temperatures in the 90s and triple digits. We've been seeing lots of sunshine, very few clouds. We'll have mostly clear skies early on this evening. Then later on tonight, we may see once again a few more clouds for the overnight hours. Take a look at the winds. The current winds are out of the southeast between 17 to 23 miles an hour, with a gust of 30 in Port Isabel, 29 McAllen, and 28 in Brownsville. The heat continues right now. 101 for you folks in McAllen, 104 in Rio Grande City, 95 in Harlingen, 94 in Weslaco, and 91 in Brownsville. So we're going to start off this Father's Day Sunday evening on a hot note, also breezy, with a temperature of 91 at 7 o'clock this evening. It'll be mostly clear for the first half of the night at the least, 85 degrees at 9 p.m. and then lower 80s at 11 o'clock this evening. We're looking at another warm and muggy night. Look at the temperatures across the state of Texas and the region. 94 degrees in Dallas, Fort Worth, 97 in Austin, 98 in San Antonio, 92 in Houston, and 100 degrees out west in El Paso. Right now, 90 in Odessa. All right, we're tracking the tropics here at Channel 5. We continue to watch two areas. One is a tropical wave close to the Windward Islands. Here's the Western Atlantic Ocean, and here's South America. This has a 70% chance of development over the next 5 days. It is expected to track to the west-northwest over the next couple of days. We still have, though, a couple of days, quite a few days, I should say, to watch that system. Closer to home, this is the other system, the area of low pressure, I should say, that is just off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula and Belize. This one has a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. Once again, like yesterday, we're going to show you two different forecast models. The first one, the European forecast model, does develop this disturbance, but takes it to the northwest and then perhaps west over the next 40 to 72 hours. So by Wednesday, this European model hints at this potential tropical system heading perhaps toward the valley or northern Mexico, giving us a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Let me show you the other forecast model. This is the American GFS model. Completely disagrees. This American GFS model wants to take this potential system past the Yucatan Peninsula and then moves it right through the Gulf of Mexico northward. Now, yesterday, it was wanting to take the system toward Florida and Alabama. Now it's shifted a bit to the west, taking it toward New Orleans and Mississippi. So all in all, there's still a lot of disagreement in the models, and this forecast could very well change over the next 48 to 72 hours. So the best thing to do is just keep it tuned to Channel 5. We'll keep you updated on the tropical forecast. On the water tonight, small craft advisory continues until 6 o'clock this evening for the bay waters. Small craft should use caution for the Gulf waters. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy early on, then a light chop overnight. Next tide is a high tide at 12:49 in the morning on Monday, and the seas are 2 to 5 feet. So for tonight, some clouds maybe later on tonight. In any case, it's warm and muggy with a low temperature of 77 degrees. Then for tomorrow, more heat, mostly sunny, breezy and hot with a high temperature of 99 in Weslaco. We will see highs in the triple digits from McAllen, Edinburg, and the Upper Valley. And again, if you missed it earlier, our 7-day or rather the rain chances for this week will highly depend on what that potential tropical system does. If it comes closer to the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, we may have to raise those rain chances. If it goes, though, away from us toward the central Gulf of Mexico, we'll keep those rain chances smaller. So at this point, we're going to put in a 30% chance of rain Wednesday and Thursday, but that could very well change. That's your